Accounting interviews can feel like a final exam for your entire career. You've memorized debits and credits in your sleep, but the thought of being interrogated under those harsh fluorescent lights has you sweating through your perfectly ironed interview outfit. I've been there, and trust me, I know how it feels. But here's the good news. With the right preparation, you can turn that interview into your victory lap. Today, I'm here to guide you through conquering the accounting interview and landing your dream job. We'll cover everything from dressing to impress to crafting answers that will make the hiring manager say, "Wow, this is the accountant we've been looking for." Let's start by talking about the different types of accounting interviews you might encounter. There isn't just one format. Interviews can vary widely depending on the stage in the hiring process and the specific role you're applying for. First up, we have the informational interview. This is a casual conversation with someone already working in the field you're interested in. It's a great way to learn about the day-to-day work of an accountant, the specific industry, and the company culture. You can find people to interview through your alumni network, professional organizations, or even by cold contacting folks on LinkedIn. Next, there's the screening interview. This is usually a brief phone or video call with a recruiter to see if your qualifications and experience align with the job description. It's often the first hurdle, so be prepared to make a solid first impression. Then we have the technical interview. This one is all about your accounting knowledge and skills. You may be asked about specific accounting principles, financial statement analysis, or your experience with accounting software. It's your chance to shine and show that you're not just another number cruncher. Another format is the case interview. This presents a hypothetical business scenario and asks you to analyze it and develop a solution. This is where the interviewer assesses your problem-solving skills and understanding of accounting principles. Finally, there's the partner interview, which is typically with a senior member of the accounting team or the hiring manager. It's a chance for you to learn more about the role and the team while they assess your fit for the company culture. Now, why are accounting interviews so important? For employers, they provide a way to assess your qualifications and see if you'd be a good fit for the company. For you, the interview is a chance to learn more about the company and the position, and to see if it's a good fit for you. It's a two-way street. The interview allows the employer to gauge your personality, work style, and communication skills, while you can assess whether the company aligns with your career goals. So, how can you get ready for your accounting interview? Preparing for an accounting interview can be nerve-wracking, but with the right strategies and preparation, you can boost your confidence and increase your chances of success. Here are 6 essential tips to help you get ready. First, become an expert on the company and the role. Before stepping into the interview room, transform yourself into a company aficionado. Research the organization thoroughly. Check their website, annual reports, and social media presence. Uncover their mission, values, and any recent news. This knowledge demonstrates genuine interest and allows you to tailor your responses to their needs. For example, if the company is undergoing a merger, you could prepare questions about the integration process and how your accounting expertise could contribute to a smooth transition. Understanding the specific role you're interviewing for is equally crucial. Scrutinize the job description, pinpointing the key requirements and responsibilities. Identify the technical skills they seek, like proficiency in specific accounting software, and the soft skills they value, such as communication and teamwork. The second step is to sharpen your technical skills. Accounting is a numbers game, and employers want to see that you have the technical skills to play it flawlessly. Refresh your memory on core accounting principles like general ledger maintenance, accounts payable and receivable, and financial statement preparation. If the role requires specialized knowledge, like tax accounting or auditing, dedicate some time to brushing up on those areas. Here's a pro tip. Don't just memorize. Focus on grasping the underlying concepts and their practical applications. Practice your calculations. Proficiency with numbers goes a long way in building trust with potential employers. Now, let's talk about crafting a compelling interview narrative. Identify your most relevant past experiences and accomplishments that showcase the skills and qualities in the job description. The STAR method, situation, task, action, result, is a powerful tool for structuring your answers. Briefly describe a challenging situation you faced, the specific task you were assigned, the actions you took, and the positive outcome you achieved. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Highlight how your work saved the company money, streamlined processes, or improved accuracy. The fourth step is to prepare for behavioral and situational questions. Interviews aren't just about technical prowess. Employers also want to assess your soft skills, work ethic, and problem-solving abilities. Questions like, "Tell me about a time you faced a deadline crunch," or "How do you handle disagreements with colleagues?" are common. Here, the key is to showcase your adaptability, communication skills, and ability to work effectively under pressure. Prepare a few examples from your past experiences that demonstrate these qualities. Next, practice makes perfect. Preparation is key, but don't underestimate the power of practice. Conduct mock interviews with a friend, family member, or career counselor. This allows you to refine your answers, manage interview anxiety, and identify areas for improvement. Record yourself answering common interview questions and review the footage to assess your body language, clarity, and overall presentation. Finally, dress for success and arrive early. First impressions matter. Dress professionally in attire that aligns with the company's culture. Project confidence through your posture, handshake, and eye contact. Aim to arrive at the interview venue 10 to 15 minutes early. This demonstrates respect for the interviewer's time and allows you to settle your nerves and compose yourself before the interview begins. Now, let's discuss how you should dress and behave during the interview itself. Your attire sets the stage, but your behavior during the interview truly seals the deal. Confidence starts with clothes. I always feel a surge of confidence when I walk into an interview, knowing I look polished and professional. The key is to dress one step more formally than the company's typical attire. This shows respect and seriousness about the opportunity. If you're unsure about the company's dress code, do a quick online search or even call the HR department. A classic business attire is often the safest bet. For men, a well-tailored suit in a neutral color like navy, black, or gray is a timeless choice. Women can opt for a pantsuit, a skirt suit, or a dress with a blazer. Ensure everything fits well and is wrinkle-free. If the company leans towards a business casual environment, you can explore slightly more relaxed options, but I would avoid jeans, even dark wash ones. It's better to err on the side of professionalism. Beyond the clothes, it's also about how you wear them. Polish your shoes, ensure your hair is neat and tidy, and keep accessories minimal. Strong perfumes or colognes can be distracting, so a light touch is ideal. Now, let's master interview etiquette. Punctuality is key. Respect the interviewer's time by arriving at least 10 minutes early. A firm handshake, a confident smile, and a clear introduction are essential. Make eye contact and greet everyone you meet, from the receptionist to the interviewer. Your body language speaks volumes. Sit straight, maintain good posture, and avoid fidgeting. Project confidence through your body language. Nod attentively when the interviewer speaks, and lean in slightly to show interest. Active listening is your ally. Pay close attention to the interviewer's questions. Don't interrupt, and take a moment to formulate your response before speaking. Show genuine interest in what they're saying by asking clarifying questions. You'll likely be asked, "Tell me about yourself." Have a concise and impactful answer prepared beforehand. This is your chance to showcase your skills and experiences relevant to the position. Focus on your accomplishments and tailor your answer to the specific job description. When discussing your experience, remember the STAR method. Briefly describe the situation, the specific task you were assigned, your actions, and the positive results you achieved. Highlight your strengths, but be humble. It's important to showcase your strengths and qualifications, but avoid bragging. Focus on how your skills can benefit the company. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Prepare questions for the interviewer. Coming to the interview with well-thought-out questions demonstrates your interest in the role and the company. Ask questions that go beyond the basic information readily available online. Remember, interviews can be nerve-wracking, but you can turn your anxiety into excitement with the right preparation and approach. Now, let's discuss some common interview questions in accounting. These questions can be both nerve-wracking and crucial. Employers seek candidates with technical accounting skills, problem-solving abilities, attention to detail, and communication prowess. Here are 10 common interview questions in accounting, along with tips on how to answer them effectively. Tell me about yourself. This question often serves as an icebreaker. Keep your response concise, focusing on relevant experiences and skills. Highlight your education, professional background, and any notable achievements. Emphasize how your qualifications align with the job requirements. Why do you want to work in accounting? Showcase your passion for numbers, organization, and problem-solving. Discuss how your analytical skills drew you to the field and mention any experiences that solidified your interest. What accounting software are you familiar with? Be honest about your proficiency with various software packages. Provide examples of how you've used these tools in previous roles to streamline processes, analyze data, or generate reports. If you lack experience with a specific software, express your willingness to learn. How do you ensure accuracy in your work? Highlight your attention to detail and commitment to precision. Discuss your methodical approach to reviewing financial documents, reconciling accounts, and verifying calculations. Can you walk me through the financial statement preparation process? Demonstrate your understanding of financial reporting standards and procedures. Outline the steps in compiling financial statements, from gathering data and recording transactions to creating income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Describe a challenging accounting problem you encountered and how you resolved it. Share a specific example that showcases your problem-solving skills and ability to think critically under pressure. How do you stay updated on accounting regulations and industry trends? Highlight your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Mention professional organizations you belong to and describe how you stay informed. How do you handle tight deadlines in accounting? Showcase your time management and prioritization skills. Describe how you organize your workload, set realistic timelines, and proactively communicate with stakeholders. What do you consider the most challenging aspect of accounting? Be honest about the challenges you've encountered and demonstrate your resilience and problem-solving abilities. Why should we hire you for this accounting position? This is your opportunity to summarize your unique strengths and value proposition. Highlight the relevant skills, experiences, and accomplishments that make you a perfect fit for the role. As the interview nears its close, you might think it's time to wrap things up. But hold on. Before you think the interview is over, remember this crucial step: asking your own questions. It might seem counterintuitive, but asking thoughtful questions during the interview is not just beneficial, it's essential. Asking questions demonstrates genuine interest and initiative. Imagine two candidates. One sits passively, waiting for the interview to end, while the other actively engages by asking insightful questions. Who appears more interested in the position and the company? The answer is clear. Asking questions shows the interviewer that you're genuinely curious about the role, the team, and the company culture. It also helps you fully understand the role and expectations. An interview provides a snapshot of the position, but can't reveal every detail. By posing specific questions, you get a better understanding of the role's daily responsibilities, team dynamics, and the company's expectations. This allows you to assess if your skills and goals truly align with the position. Moreover, asking strategic questions can help you uncover potential red flags. Sometimes, a seemingly perfect opportunity might have hidden drawbacks. Inquiring about team structure and workload could indicate understaffing or unrealistic expectations. Additionally, well-crafted questions can subtly showcase your skills and knowledge. Tailor your questions to the specific role and the company's industry. Finally, let's talk about how you can solidify your candidacy after the interview. While you may not be able to hit the fast-forward button on the hiring process, you can take steps to leave a lasting positive impression. First, send a thank you note. A quick email expressing gratitude for the interviewer's time is a timeless classic. This isn't just a formality, it's an opportunity to reiterate your interest in the position and showcase your professionalism. Aim to send your thank you note within 24 hours of the interview and personalize it by mentioning specific aspects of the interview that resonated with you. Next, follow up wisely. While a timely thank you note is essential, avoid bombarding the interviewer with follow-up emails. A strategically timed follow-up can demonstrate your continued interest, especially if you haven't heard back within the time frame initially mentioned. Keep it brief and professional. You can also leverage your network discreetly. If you connected with anyone from the company during the interview process, consider reaching out to express your continued interest. Staying positive and engaged on social media can also help. Maintain a professional online presence and engage with the company's content thoughtfully. Prepare for a second interview, just in case. Review your notes from the first interview, anticipate potential follow-up questions, and solidify your understanding of the role's requirements. Finally, reflect and learn from your experiences. Even if you don't get the job, every interview is a learning experience. Now, let's wrap up with some common interview mistakes to avoid. Lack of preparation is one of the gravest errors. Showing up unprepared can demonstrate disinterest or laziness. Poor body language can convey nervousness or disinterest. Failing to showcase your accomplishments can leave a weak impression. Talking too much or too little can bore the interviewer or leave them with insufficient information. Not asking questions can imply disinterest. Being dishonest can damage your credibility. Appearing desperate can be off-putting to employers. Failing to follow up can leave you forgotten. Not dressing appropriately can give the wrong impression. Neglecting to practice can leave you unprepared. In conclusion, with the right preparation and approach, you can ace your accounting interview. Be positive, be yourself, and learn from your experiences. Treat everyone you meet with courtesy, negotiate with confidence, and tailor your responses. Manage your time wisely, end on a strong note, and showcase your passion. Remember, your enthusiasm is contagious, and it's your chance to shine. Good luck!